This is the main power switch. Press down to start. Press up to close. Below is disassembly and assembly operation of the working wire controller. First, plug in the controller connector. Then, fasten the front and back locks. The connection is completed. When disassembly, open the two blocks. Then gently remove terminal. For disassembly, this is the working wire controller. This is the key switch. Turn the key switch clockwise. Then press the start button to start engine. Working after starting, this is the left track handle, which controls the left track working. This is the right track handle, which controls the right track working. This is the working high-speed switch. Turn to the open forward direction is high speed. Turn to the close back direction is low speed. The red button is the emergency stop switch. Press down the switch to turn off the machine. Turn the button clockwise to return to the original position. This is the working combination high-speed switch speed higher than working high speed. Push in the open forward direction to open the working combination high speed. Push to the opposite direction to close. Working high speed and oil circuit combination working high speed are to improve the working speed of the machine on the leveled road. Warning: when HDD is getting on and off track and going up and down, make sure turn off working high speed and working combination high speed to avoid serious personal injury or machine turnover. The working combination high speed is the highest working speed when the ground is uneven or many obstacles on the ground, or terminal there is requirement for straight walking. The working combination high speed should not be